Saturday, August 3rd, 1:27 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. If you want to see my videos the same day I produce them, I have a Patreon page. You can subscribe to them. The link's below. Otherwise, when I get around to it, I post them on YouTube. Not just do I post them early, same day on my Patreon page. There's a lot more content available to see on my Patreon page. This is part 3. And this is going to be the steel industry. I highly recommend you watch them in order. I did one of the airlines and the cruise ships. Those are made out of steel. Same with trains, trucks. Much of the infrastructure, materials, transportation made out of steel. So I think it's important to look at the steel industry, see how they're performing. Here, self-explanatory. On the left is the market cycle, 5-year weekly. Each of these candles of the week. And the company name and the stock symbol. So now you know that. You're welcome for me sharing that with you. Since many people post charts and neglect by choice what content to leave off. Well, this company, here's the low for the past 5 years. The year 2020. Here's the high. Oops, let me update that. This one's a mistake, I think. Yeah, shame on me. 2020. And this is the high of 2022. And notice here, huge consolidation. Here's the low of 2023. We haven't tested yet, but very close. Past week, huge sell-off. Here's the high for the year. Yep. This is a demand zone. Buyers are down here before. Key area to watch for potential reversal. As of right now, we're selling off and no signs of buyers yet for this company, Charlie Lima F. Next one, commercial metal company. Here's the low, 2022. And notice here, this past week, we made a new high for the past 5 years. Outstanding leadership. And then we made a big sell-off. Big sell-off. The big difference is, again, this is strong like bull, trending up, very clear, where the other one was in that tight consolidation. So we were here in a consolidation too, broke above it, broke above it. If you buy steel stock companies, this is one to look for the pullbacks and the reversals. Next, there's another one, like Tango Uniform Sierra. The low of the past 5 years, the high of the past 5 years. It's consolidation here. Impulse move up, market cycle up, consolidation. We want to determine this. Are we in accumulation or distribution? Get a huge red candle. Something happened in the news past week to have that big red candle. Consolidation, impulse move up, consolidation, staircase better than a higher high. Watch for opportunities to buy in the dip if it makes a reversal. Next one, November, Uniform Echo, the low for the past 5 years. This year made the new high for the past 5 years. We're down here in a consolidation phase. So this was a markdown, consolidation, building energy for either a reversal or a breakdown. Romeo Syria, the low for the past 5 years. This year made the new high. So you notice several of them made new highs this year for the past 5 years. So the industry has been strong this year. And we tested the lows of this year earlier. Back up. Strong trend up the past several years. The steel industry may not be the prettiest industry like technology. Again, it's showing strength. Or infrastructure, a lot of it also. And steel dynamics, the low of the past 5 years. Look at that. This year made the new high for the past 5 years. And it's in a retracement phase. Consolidation here. Big red candle for a week. Something happened. Yeah. This was accumulation phase. Smart money was buying. The markup phase, markdown phase, consolidation. And Worthington Steel, Whiskey Sierra. Not much history on it. Why? Because it's a newer company. From a merger and acquisition, I recall from another one. So again, this past week, all-time new high right there. Nice. And a big sell-off. United States Steel, X. Low of the past 5 years. Last year was the high, the past 5 years. Then we had a sell-off, huge impulse move down. Here's the low of the year already made a reversal. There's also a gap there. Yep. Olympic Steel, the low of the past 5 years. You notice higher lows. This year, huge trading range. Made an all-time new high for this year in a reversal. There are many more companies that are in this industry, but I'm sure you're the ones that have the highest value, worth billions. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.